Indo Air Compressors Private Limited was established in the year 1977 with its compressors and vacuum pumps. Indo Air's facility is equipped with advanced equipments for supporting versatile manufacturing operations. Indo Air manufactures rotary screw compressors, reciprocating compressor and vacuum pumps, having presence pan-India and in overseas more than 34 countries across the globe. Quality Mark Awards 2018 for Engineering Components category goes to Indo Air Compressors Private Limited.